Hi, welcome to Geeta's classes. Today we are going to see about discrete mathematics MA 8351 Unit 1. Under Unit 1 we are going to see tautology. It's an important topic in Anna University examinations. So tautology. Okay. So moving on to the definition of tautology. The statement formula or well-formed formulas P equal to P of P1, P2, etc. Pn is called a tautology if it is always true. That is, statement formula is always true if for every possible truth value of the variables P1, P2, etc. Pn. The statement formula or well-formed formulas P, capital P, is always true. Then we can say the proposition is a tautology. Okay. Similarly, we are going to see about the definition of contradiction. The same thing. Tautology, opposite for tautology is contradiction. In tautology, we are proving true. So here we are going to prove false. Okay. A statement formula or well-formed formulas P equal to P of P1, P2, etc. Pn is called a contradiction if it is always false. That is, the statement formula is false for every possible truth value of the variables P1, P2, etc. Pn. Okay, so tautology means true, TT. Contradiction means false. Okay. Now, we are going to see several laws of propositional logic. So, here are the laws: identity laws, idempotent laws, dominant laws, commutative laws. So, you have to remember all the formulas for these laws. So, first law is identity law. So, this is your identity law. The formula you have to remember. Okay. So, identity law formula P and true is equivalent to P. P or false equivalent to P. Idempotent laws P and P equivalent to P. P or P equivalent to P. Dominant laws P and false equivalent to false. P or true equivalent to true. Commutative laws P and Q equivalent to Q and P. P or Q equivalent to Q or P. Okay. So, these are the 4 laws. Few more laws. Associative law P and Q and R is P and Q and R. This is changing of brackets. Okay. Similarly, you write it for R. P R Q R R equivalents to P R Q R R. Distributive law. Similarly, we are writing for distributive law. Absorption laws. Double negation. Double negation means minus into minus is plus. So, negative into negation of P is positive P. That is double negation. So, you have to remember all these laws. We are using those laws in problems. De Morgan's laws. This is De Morgan's laws. We are applying negation inside. Negation P or becomes and if you apply negation. Okay. So, negation P and negation Q. Negation P or negation Q. So, here this is negation or complement laws. P or not P is true. P and not P is false. Implication or implication conversion law. P implies Q can be written as not P or Q. So, now we are moving into the problem 1. Using laws of logic, show that P and Q implies Q or P or Q is a tautology. Using laws of logic, show that P and Q implies Q or P or Q is a tautology. What is meant by tautology? You have to prove it is true. Okay. So, we are moving into the solution. First, we have to prove P and Q implies P or Q is a tautology, right? That is to prove P and Q implies P or Q equivalent to true, right? So we have taken the left hand side, P and Q implies P or Q. So implies, what is implication conversion? So you know, not of P or Q, that is implication conversion. So this is your P, this is your Q. So not first term or second term. Now apply negation inside, not P, negation of and is or, not Q, or you write the second term as it is. This is, we are applying negation inside, that is De Morgan's law. So you have to write the laws in the brackets, okay. So here not P or not Q, we are changing the brackets in between, not Q or P. So this is associative law. Again, not P or, here you reverse the values. Here not Q or P can be written as P or not Q. That is commutative law. A star B equal to B star A. A or B equal to B or A. That is commutative law. So we are applying commutative law here. Now you can combine not P or P and then not Q or Q. Okay. So here we are combining not P or P or not Q or Q. This is by associative law. Again we are changing the brackets. Negation and positive becomes true. Or in between you are having or, that is true. This is by negation law. So not Q or Q is also true. So true or true, that is true. That is dominant law. So you have to remember all the laws, then only we are able to do the tautology problem. Okay. So here not P or P or not Q or Q. These two terms are true. So true or true is true. Therefore, the left hand side equivalents to true. True means it is tautology. So P and Q implies P or Q is tautology. So you have to remember all the laws. We are going to apply all the laws for proving the problem as tautology. Okay, is it clear? We'll continue in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Geeta's classes. Thank you.